In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a gradient rainbow border effect for thumbnails in GIMP. This is a really eye-catching style that can make your thumbnails pop, stand out in search results, and look far more professional without needing any advanced design skills. If you create gaming thumbnails, reaction thumbnails, or any kind of YouTube graphics, this is a simple effect that can instantly level up your design. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your thumbnail image in GIMP. Once your image is loaded, we need to set up the border area we're going to fill with the rainbow effect. The easiest way to do that is by selecting the entire canvas. On Windows, press Ctrl+A. On Mac, press Command+A. That selects everything in the image. Now we need to shrink that selection so it becomes a border instead of covering the full image. Go to the Select menu at the top, then click Shrink. A box will appear asking how many pixels you want to shrink the selection by. This number controls the thickness of your border. A good starting point is between 20 and 40 pixels, depending on the size of your thumbnail and how bold you want the border to look. If you want a thinner, cleaner border, use a smaller number. If you want something more dramatic and noticeable, increase it a little. Once you've entered your amount, click OK. At this point, the selection is now inside the image, but we actually want the outer edge selected, not the middle. So the next step is to invert the selection. Go back to the Select menu and choose Invert. You can also use Ctrl+I on Windows or Command+I on Mac. Now the border area around the edges of the thumbnail is selected, which means anything we add next will only affect that outer frame. Before we apply the effect, it's a good idea to keep things non-destructive. That means we don't want to paint directly on the original image. Instead, create a brand new layer for the border. Go to Layer, then click New Layer. Give it a name like Rainbow Border so it's easy to identify later. Make sure Fill With is set to Transparency, then click OK. This gives you a blank layer that will sit above your thumbnail and hold the border effect safely. Now it's time for the fun part, the rainbow gradient. Select the gradient tool from the toolbox or press G on your keyboard. After that, open the Tool Options panel. If you don't see it, you can usually find it under Windows, then Dockable Dialogs, then Tool Options. In the Gradient preset box, choose a rainbow style preset. In GIMP, two great choices are Abstract 2 or Full Saturation Spectrum. Both of these give you that colorful rainbow look without needing to build the colors manually. Next, look for the Shape option. If you want a clean, straight rainbow border, choose Linear. If you want something more dynamic and stylized, you can try Spiral for a more wrapped, energetic effect. For most YouTube thumbnails, Linear is the safest and easiest option because it gives you a smooth, readable result. Now make sure your rainbow border layer is still active, and then click and drag your cursor across the selected border area. A simple way to think about this is that the direction you drag will control how the gradient flows. If you drag from one corner of the canvas to the opposite corner, you'll get a nice diagonal rainbow sweep. If you want a more horizontal or vertical look, drag in that direction instead. Once you release the mouse, press Enter to lock in the gradient. And just like that, your border now has a colorful rainbow gradient effect. Depending on your image and the gradient preset you chose, you may want to experiment a little with the direction, the thickness of the border, or even the gradient shape until it looks perfect. That's one of the great things about GIMP. You can easily tweak the design until it fits your thumbnail style. If you want the border to stand out even more, you can also combine this effect with a subtle shadow or a little extra contrast in the main image. That can help the rainbow frame pop without overpowering the subject of your thumbnail. The goal is to make the border noticeable, but still clean and professional. So to quickly recap, you opened the thumbnail, selected the full canvas, shrunk the selection to set the border thickness, inverted the selection, created a transparent new layer, chose a rainbow gradient preset, and dragged the gradient across the border area. That's the full process for making a gradient rainbow border effect in GIMP. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy design and GIMP editing tutorials. It really helps the channel, and it lets you know when new videos are posted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.